Alright, what's happening, guys? We're back with the back end of lesson 4. Alright, so what we got going on here is we've got the endings. First declension, remember, first declension, A goes to AE. Second declension, US goes to I. Alright, nominative, that's going to be our subject. Accusative is going to be our direct object, which receives the action. And then if you're curious, all right, long mark, or macron, that's what those are. Now we're going to go through these bad boys using the endings up top here, but I got to get rid of them so that we can see this. There are many roads. Okay, so we have a linking verb here. So what that means is we cannot have a direct object because we have no action. So this is a predicate nominative, which equals nominative, and then roads is plural, so we need to go AE. That's the only plural nominative guy there. So many horses. Many is describing horses. This is the direct object, which equals accusative plural, and there are two accusative plurals. Many has to agree with horse in case number gender. So the word for horse is equus, and then if you take the US, make it accusative plural, that's going to give you D, multos. I tripped the girl, direct object, which equals accusative, singular. That's going to leave you with C. I highly recommend making the notes that I'm doing here. It takes a little bit more time, but you know, that's the time you need to make sure you get these right. Now try the rest of these, and then when you're ready, check them with what I got. Alright, so good is describing water. This is the direct object, which equals accusative, singular. That's going to leave us with C. Large is describing forest. This is going to be a predicate adjective. And so this is going to be nominative going with forest. So nominative singular, because forest is nominative singular. The word for forest is silwa. So to make that A nominative singular, we keep it A. Boom. Magna. I blew up a small farmer. Poor guy. He's the direct object, so accusative singular. Girl lost her life. Poor girl. Direct object, which is accusative singular. So that's going to leave us C, Weetum. Ooh, we've got 4 C's in a row. Alright, there are many islands. Linking verb. So this is going with islands. It's describing islands. That's a predicate nominative. Alright, so nominative, plural. The word for island is insula, and to make that nominative plural, it's got to go to an AE, and the C streak is over. Alright, he drank bad water. Bad's describing water. Direct object. Accusative singular. The word for water is aqua, so that A, accusative singular, is going to be an AM, so we want D, malam. Horses, this is the subject, so nominative and plural. Alright, the only nominative plural guy, B. I do not see the island. Direct object equals accusative and singular. C. Boom. So take the time to make those notes. Makes a world of difference. Alright, huge gap happening. Right in here. Boom, we'll take care of that. Alright, now I'm going to write the words in first, but don't write them just yet. So we've got multus, equus, sunt, litus. So those are the words there, boom. Many horses, this is the subject. So it is going to be nominative plural. So to make it nominative plural, I need to change that, which means I need to change that, and I need to change that. Nominative plural for US goes to I, which means all these guys describing horses need to be an I as well. Alright, the serving carries. Servus. Portare. Multus. Kibis. Now me personally, I'm going to put the verb at the end, but I'm just doing this for the word order. Okay, servants is subject, so nominative singular, so that US is good. Carries. Now the RE means two, so I need to get rid of the RE. Boom. And the servant is a he, she, or an it, so I need a T there to be the he, she, or it. Maltus and Kibis. Alright, this is describing this guy, but this is the direct object, so accusative singular. So I need to get rid of those guys. Put that T back. Boom. UM is accusative singular, so this is going to be UM as well. Boom. Last one, the farmer loves his family. Agricola, amare, familia. Boom. Nominative singular. So Agricola is good. Loves. Need to get rid of the RE because that's two. Farmer's a he, she, or it. So I'm going to put a T there because T is he, she, or it. Familia is a direct object, so it's accusative, and then singular. So take away that A and replace it with an AM, and we're good there. Now personally, I put the amad at the end, and so would many Romans. And we'll finish up with some NLE practice here. Which numeral represents the largest amount? 9, 3, 5, 8. Boom, we want A. Based on the word's Latin root, a portable device is one port from the word porto, which means carry, A. Est is underlined, and that's going to be D is. Et is underlined, and that's going to be A. And Sovete domine sowe. We know that that is hello. What is to be nomen? Nomen is name. So what is your name? And then the mare nostrum. Mare is the word for sea. However, we got a lot of seas going on. This is the biggie. One is more of an ocean, so we're going to go with 2. Boom. All right, sweet. So there's that. If you have any questions, please let me know.